Thank you for joining me on this third installation of our Beaver Mazda construction update series. Let's check it out. We've made a lot of progress on the exterior of the building. We have all of the stone and windows up, but there's still a million things to do. Now that we have walls, you can really see what this place is going to end up looking like. Not only are we painting, we're also tiling. Take a look at our customer bathroom. Take a look at the beginnings of our shop. We finally started installing our shop equipment. Here are our 15 lifts. We just finished construction of this cross. It's a symbol of the values and ethics that we strive to embody every day. Putting it out front in front of the dealership is a commitment to these principles and shows our community what they can expect from us. Sincerely from the Beaver family, thank you for watching this video, and please stay tuned for the next one.